Hello everyone, welcome back.
To my channel. Today topic is very important for our English learner. How to practice English speaking daily. Many people want to speak English fluent but they don't know how to practice every day. They feel motivated one day and stop the next day. If this sound like you, this blog is for you. First understand one simple truth. You don't need a teacher all the time. You don't need expensive courses. You only need daily practice. Even for a short time. English speaking is like exercise. If you do it daily, you become strong. If you stop, you become weak again. The first and most important step is make English part of your daily life. Don't treat English like a subject, treat it like a habit. Start your day with English. When you wake up, say simple line in English. Good morning. Today is a new day. I will practice English today. This small start prepares your mind for English thinking. Second step is talk to yourself in English. Yes, self talk is very powerful. Many people feel shy, but this is the best practice. Talk about what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking tea. I am going to work. This daily self talk trains your brain to speak naturally. Third step is use the minor technique. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Look at your face, smile and speak confidently. You can talk about your day, your plans, your problems, your goals. This method improve confidence and fluency together. Fourth step is learn and use daily sentences. Don't try to learn big paragraph. Learn small useful sentences. For example, how was your day? I am feeling good today. I am busy right now. Let's talk later. Use these sentences in your daily life. The more you use them, the more confident you become. Fifth step is listen and repeat. Listening is very important for speaking. Watch English videos, podcasts, or short clips. Choose simple English content. Listen carefully and repeat loudly. Pause the video, repeat the sentences. Copy the pronunciation and speed. This method improve your accent and flow. Sixth step is don't translate from Hindi. Translate is the biggest enemy of speaking. When you translate, you think slowly. Conversation need speed. Train your brain to think in English. Even broken English is okay. Slow English is okay. But stop translating word by word. Seventh step is use English in daily situation. Use English while shopping, traveling or working. You can say simple line like please give me this. How much is this? I need some help. Real life practice make English strong and natural. Eighth step is practice question answer method. Ask yourself question and answer them. For example, what did I do today? I went to work and finish my task. What will I do tomorrow? I will wake up early and practice English. This method improves thinking and speaking together. Ninth step is record your voice. This is a very powerful technique. Record yourself speaking English for 1 minute daily. Listen to your recordings, find your mistakes, and improve slowly. Don't feel bad if your voice sounds strange. Everyone feels the same in the beginning. This habit improves clarity and confidence. Tenth step is don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. Fluent speakers also make mistakes, but they continue speaking. Remember this line. Speak first, improve later. 11th step is practice with one partner or online. If possible, Talk to one friend in English daily. Even 5 minutes is enough. Don't have a partner. Talk to yourself or use online platform. Consistency is more important than the method. 12th step is set a small daily goal. Don't say I will speak English for 1 hour. Say I will speak English for 10 minutes. Small goals are easy to follow. Easy goals become habit. 13th step is end your day with English before sleeping. Speak about your day in English. Today was a good day. I learned something new. Tomorrow I will do better. This night practice fix English in your mind. Finally remember one thing. English speaking improve with daily action, not motivation. Some days you feel bored, some days you feel tired, but still practice. Even 5 minutes daily is powerful. If you practice English speaking every day with patience, confidence, and consistency, your English will definitely improve. Thank you for watching this blog. Keep practice and keep speaking and never give up on your English journey. Goodbye and take care.